Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another step-by-step guide on our channel. Today, we're diving into how to send BNB from Ledger Nano X to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're holding BNB on your Ledger and want to move it to Phantom for easier access or trading, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, security is key when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer, and the Phantom Wallet app set up on your phone or browser. Also, ensure your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware. 2025 brings some new security enhancements, so double-check that. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. Unlock your device with your PIN. Then navigate to the Ethereum app on your Ledger, since BNB is often managed through the BEP20 standard on the Binance Smart Chain. Next, open your Phantom Wallet on your mobile device or browser extension. Go to the Receive section and copy your Phantom Wallet address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Ledger screen to prevent potential scams. Now, back on Ledger Live. Select your BNB account. Click on Send, and paste the Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, but don't forget to leave some for gas fees. Review the transaction details on your Ledger device. It's the safest way to confirm. Once you're happy, approve the transaction on your Ledger by pressing the buttons. Sit tight while the network processes it. This usually takes a few minutes. To check if it's successful, head back to Phantom and refresh your balance. And that's it, you've successfully transferred BNB from your Ledger Nano X to Phantom Wallet. Remember, in 2025, with evolving blockchain tech, always stay updated on best practices. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.